Can you bring an outdoor sauna in? What do you tell people whenever when they ask, can you use an outdoor sauna inside?
I just think it's an overall sleek sauna for the price.
Yeah, that is a very great series. It's a newer series that we're offering with all glass.
And the sauna holds up to 4 people, which is, a good amount if you want to entertain guests or if you just want to use it with, you and your spouse.
That's a good size for an indoor sauna.
For an indoor, yeah.
Yeah, that's a perfect. We've created a series of videos for you based on our most asked questions about all things sauna. Welcome to the Lower Bench. Welcome back to the Lower Bench. I'm Brian Mitchell. I'm here with some familiar faces that you may know. I'm here with Caleb and Mike at the Sauna Place. And today we are going to be discussing what are our top 3 indoor sauna kits. So Caleb, what is one of the indoor saunas that you like to recommend to customers?
My favorite's the Luxe Glass series. The reason why is it's got a great price, great price, a few different sizes. You can get this in a 2-person up to 3-person. Has an all glass front, which makes it modern looking. It's insulated panels. I just think it's an overall sleek sauna for the price.
Yeah, that is a very great series. It's a newer series that we're offering with all glass. It's a lot like our old version of our Heritage saunas, but now with a glass front. And it does come already pre-built with the conduit, lighting, venting, everything they would need.
Oh yeah, this is great.
So Mike, what is your go-to indoor sauna whenever you're talking with customers?
I'm a big fan of one of our newer models that we just got in, the Heritage Luxe Garda. So this series comes with traditional Finnish raised floors. It's meant to pair well with the Hume Drop series to embed down into the elevated floors for that toes above stones principle. I really like the thermally modified wood that it uses for the exterior, and the sauna holds up to 4 people, which is a good amount if you want to entertain guests or if you just want to use it with you and your spouse.
That's a good size for an indoor sauna.
For an indoor, yeah.
Yeah, that's a perfect size. I don't disagree. Those are some very good options. As the newer, the premium woods, we're embedding heaters. It's really more of a modern look. And to keep in mind, we have a number of different indoor models and manufacturers, some from Europe, some from the States. We have Almost Heaven indoor, great saunas. Our Heritage line is great. Dundalk has some indoor cabins. Whatever you're looking for, from 1 person up to 4 people, some of them maybe even up to 6 people for indoor saunas. We have you covered. Now, we do get asked, and I'm sure y'all get asked this as well, can you bring an outdoor sauna in? What do you tell people whenever when they ask, can you use an outdoor sauna inside?
Absolutely. You can use any outdoor sauna inside. Outdoor saunas come with a floor kit. Vice versa, not so much unless you put an indoor sauna under a covering outside, because indoor saunas don't have a roofing system like outdoors. But that's really the only big difference between outdoor and indoors, is outdoors do have a roofing system that can hold up against the elements.
That's a good point about the flooring. Most indoor saunas we sell, the indoor versions, will utilize your existing waterproof floor, whether that's tile, sealed concrete, vinyl flooring, whatever that is, where an outdoor sauna will have a integrated floor with it since it's an outdoor. So sometimes people would prefer that on the interior. Now you would have to make sure, of course, the size will fit your space as far as height. The other thing that I have had with customers is if they're going to be in a house temporarily, maybe only a couple years, but they want a sauna now. If you can fit an outdoor sauna in, just in case when you move, you may want it outside at your next location. Then you're not stuck with only an indoor sauna. Just some things to think about whenever you are choosing the sauna for your home. I would say as far as indoor sauna kits for Almost Heaven, I'd say our number 1 seller is the Rainelle. It's a great 4-person sauna, easy to assemble, great price point, a very well-made sauna here in the U.S. So that's my take on indoor saunas as far as Almost Heavens.
I really like the new Norca saunas. They're very, very well made, high quality. They're made in Estonia. They got that true Finnish style, and they're very, very modern. So if you're looking for something more high end, this is a good route.
Yeah. Mike, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a big fan of the Almost Heavens. They're great sellers because you're getting a really quality product at a really good price point. to agree with Caleb, if you're looking for a higher end, more modern sauna with more of traditional Finnish features, the new Norcas, I think, meet all criteria for that. But yeah, as far as my experience, I like the Madisons, where as far as Almost Heavens go. Just like the Raynell, they're simple to assemble. They offer all the features that most people are looking for in a sauna at a really good price point. So
those are all very good points. They do make excellent saunas, no doubt about it. And if you want more of a one-of-a-kind that very few people will have, you may have seen our video on the Thermosol saunas that we now have available. Keep in mind, all of the saunas at saunaplace.com, all of them will get you to your 180, 190, 200 degree temperature that you're looking for. What you're really looking for is the benching you like, the wood you like, the style you like. Everything else, don't even worry about will one get hotter than another. They're all going to get you. It's all about the heater. All of these can take back, the same heater. So it's really about style, design, and what you want for your sauna. And if you don't find something on our site that you truly love, we also, of course, have our custom indoor sauna kits that we can build to whatever size, to whatever dimensions that you have in your home. That would be our Cedro line of indoor sauna kits. We have a number of different design lines, different woods. Again, these will also get you to the temperature you're looking for, but fit in spaces that maybe you can't fit a standalone unit. If you have any questions, be sure to comment on this video. And as always, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And of course, for anything sauna related, please visit us at saunaplace.com or give us a shout at 931-516-6577. We'll be happy to help.